Alright, after comparing over 15 different dash cams, I found the 5 best dash cam setups for car in 2026, ranging from under $50 to around $300. Each one gives clear, reliable recording, captures every detail day and night, and keeps you covered on the road whether you're commuting, road tripping, or parked. But there are also a few dash cams that look good online but don't perform well in real use. I'll tell you which ones to avoid later in the video. Links to all the best dash cams along with discounts and some extra coupons I found are in the description. Let's start with number 5. We've got the ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam, and this one is a solid starting point if you want real protection without going overboard in price. It records 4K up front and full HD at the rear, so you're covered from both directions. No blind spots when something happens behind you. What really stands out here is the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor. In simple terms, that means clearer footage at night. License plates, road signs, and faces stay readable even in low-light conditions, which is exactly when cheaper dash cams usually fail. Downloading footage is also surprisingly fast. Thanks to 5G Wi-Fi, clips transfer to your phone at up to 20 megabytes per second using the ROVE app. That makes it easy to save or share footage right after an incident instead of pulling out the memory card. You also get built-in GPS, so speed and location are stamped directly on your videos, useful for insurance or legal proof. And unlike older models, this uses a supercapacitor, which handles extreme heat and cold better than regular batteries. Parking protection is well thought out too, with time-lapse, motion detection, and collision recording when hardwired. Plus, it comes with a free 128GB card, so you're ready to go out of the box. At number 4, we've got the teransoul 4K plus 4K front and rear dash cam. This one sits in that solid mid-range where you expect serious features without paying flagship prices. What really stands out here is the true 4K recording on both the front and rear cameras. That means clear license plates, readable road signs, and usable footage, not just ahead of you, but behind you too. The wide 170-degree front view easily covers multi-lane highways, which is great for city and highway driving. It comes ready to use out of the box with a free 128GB memory card already included, and it supports up to 512GB if you want long recording history. Loop recording keeps things running automatically, and the G-sensor locks important clips during sudden braking or collisions, so nothing gets overwritten. Night driving is another strong point. With super starlight night vision, wide apertures, and WDR processing, footage stays bright and detailed even on dark roads or poorly lit parking areas. Connectivity is smooth thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi, including fast 5.8 GHz support. You can quickly view, download, and share videos straight to your phone using the app. Built-in GPS records speed and route data directly onto the video, which can be very helpful for insurance claims. For parked cars, the 24-hour parking mode adds peace of mind by recording time-lapse footage and automatically saving clips if your car gets hit. Installation is simple, and the 18-month warranty adds extra confidence.
At number 3, we've got the REDTIGER F7 NP 4K front and rear dash cam. Now this one sits right in that mid-range sweet spot, and yeah, it already feels like a serious upgrade. Up front, you're getting true 4K recording, paired with a full HD rear camera. The STARVIS 2 sensor really shows its strength here. Daytime footage looks sharp, and at night, details like license plates and street signs stay clear instead of turning into noise. The wide 170-degree front view and 140-degree rear angle also mean fewer blind spots. What I really like is the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Clips download fast, up to 20 megabytes per second, so you're not waiting forever just to check one video on your phone. The app makes it easy to replay footage, change settings, or review GPS data like speed and route. It also comes with a free 128GB memory card, which is huge at this price. Loop recording keeps things running non-stop, while the G-sensor locks important clips automatically. And for parked protection, you get 24-hour parking monitoring, as long as you add a hardwire kit. Instead of a battery, this one uses a supercapacitor, which handles heat way better, perfect for hot summers. Add in built-in GPS and an 18-month warranty, and it feels very complete. At number 2, we've got the teransoul D0183 3-channel dashcam. This one sits in that upper mid-range price bracket. And yeah, when you hear 4K plus 1080p, the first thought is this better actually deliver in real life. What makes this stand out is full 3-channel coverage. The front and rear both record in true 4K, while the cabin records in 1080p. That means clear license plates ahead, detailed footage behind you, and full interior coverage, ideal for rideshare drivers, family trips, or anyone who wants complete protection. Low light performance is solid too. The front and rear lenses use large aperture lenses, and the cabin camera has infrared lights, so even at night or in complete darkness, faces and details stay visible instead of turning into grainy blobs. It also comes ready out of the box with a 128GB card included and supports cards up to 512GB. Loop recording keeps things automatic, while the built-in G sensor locks important clips if there's a sudden impact. Connectivity is fast thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi 6, letting you pull 4K clips straight to your phone at up to 20 megabytes per second using the mobile app. Built-in GPS records speed and route data, which is extremely useful for insurance or incident proof. Parking protection is covered with 24-hour monitoring using time-lapse and collision detection. Just note that a hardwire kit is required. At number 1, we've got the PRUVEEO D90 4-channel dashcam, and honestly, this one is made for people who want full coverage, not just a front camera and hope for the best. This dashcam records front, rear, left, and right all at the same time in full HD, giving you a true 360-degree view around your vehicle. That means no blind spots. Perfect for taxis, rideshare drivers, delivery vehicles, or anyone who parks in busy areas. The built-in GPS quietly tracks your speed, location, and routes, which becomes extremely helpful if you ever need proof for insurance or roadside incidents. And with Wi-Fi support, you can instantly view or download footage on your phone using the app. No cables, no hassle. Night recording is where this camera really shines. The interior lens uses an f1.8 aperture with infrared lights, so even in complete darkness, cabin footage stays clear and usable. Parking protection is handled through time-lapse recording, saving space while keeping your car monitored around the clock when hardwired. There's no battery inside. Instead, it uses a supercapacitor, which handles heat far better and lasts longer, especially in hot climates. Loop recording and automatic crash lock make sure important clips never get overwritten. And yes, it even comes with a 128GB card, so it's ready right out of the box. So if you want maximum coverage, strong night performance, GPS tracking, and reliable parking protection, the PRUVEEO D90 is easily the strongest all-around dashcam on this list. So that brings us to the end of our list for the best dashcams for cars in 2026. No matter what your driving style is, daily commuting, road trips, rideshare driving, or just wanting extra peace of mind, there's something on this list that fits your needs and budget. The key is choosing a dashcam that gives you reliable footage, good night performance, and features you'll actually use every day. And as usual, you'll find all the discounted links for these dashcams in the description of this video. I've also added some extra coupons I've found, so make sure to check those out before buying. You might save more than you expect. Just head to the description, grab the best deal on your favorite dashcam, and you're good to go.